Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so right over there is MGM, and we're just gonna walk down some of these streets right here. So, okay. Okay. Pretty. Okay. So there's a big casino right here, and there's also some gold shops that we're gonna be walking by, and some other things as well. This is part of Macau side. Here's some gold right here, and basically on the Macau side, it's some of it is reclaimed land. This is all reclaimed land, and this is kind of where the casinos are at. Some of them are, anyways. So we're just gonna walk down this way a little bit, and you can see what's here. Right now it's kind of a perfect time because it's the evening, so you can see all of the lights and some kind of souvenir-ish shops, little things like that. Okay, so MGM is straight ahead, and we're going to be walking down a strip, and then you can see all the tiles as well. So you kind of have this Portuguese tiles here. And we're just going to walk down this street towards the casinos and kind of this plaza with all the parks, with all of the benches. To the right is a lot of shops. There's Chinese medicine, there's whiskey shop, probably duty-free stuff, maybe, I don't know. Looks like the same kind of stuff you'd see at the duty-free. So, okay. Probably tourists, probably. Let's gonna see what this cartoon is. Pretty cool building right there. Nice to see. It's in Portuguese and Chinese, so I don't know if you can read that, you can tell me what it is. By the way, if you like this video, just make sure you like it and hit the like button. I'm talking about taxis, okay. I guess it's about taxis and about leaving stuff behind. And yeah, it's all about leaving stuff behind, I guess. Okay. So yeah, right now it's nighttime, so straight down you can see kind of an orange building down there. Might be an interesting place to walk to right now. Sometimes that place has I think I am going to walk down that way. Sometimes that place has what does it have? So okay, there's MGM. They don't have like a food court kind of area. Victoria Sauna. Alright. I don't know if you know much about saunas here, but actually saunas are kind of fronts for prostitution. Okay. I mean, I'm sure there's all kinds of saunas, but a lot of them are. So this shirt is really popular. I don't know why, but I think it's popular in mainland China. Ciudad de Coimbra. All right, Havana Cuba. I might just kind of meander a little bit. I was thinking of going down to Rio, but we'll just kind of meander and just kind of show you whatever we can see in this area. It's all kind of interesting anyways. And I'll label this accordingly so you know exactly what it is. So this one is Havana Cuba. And they have cigars and whiskey. Okay. There's another Havana Cuba that's not too far away, but it's more where people will sit and drink coffee and sorry, my mind's a little distracted. There's like 6 guys and they're watching me. Was I could feel them looking at me when they turned, they went by me. Oh, here's all gold. Okay, there's a lot of gold like that. That gold is probably like 2,000–3,000 American dollars probably. I do have some other videos where I do look at that in detail. Old phone booths, CTM. I'm gonna look at it right now. So okay, you can see the Chairman Mao guy, and usually there's a price on the corners. I don't see a price on this one, but okay, I don't see a price on any of these. But I'm gonna guess they're like $2,000 or $3,000. Some more gold up this way. It's another YouTuber that was recently in Macau, and she was Blondie in China, and she was talking about all the gold that she saw, like how much money there must be in the city. Okay, so there's a coffee shop, having like tea and things like that in there. Pretty cool. I'm surprised we don't see the prices though. Usually I can see the prices on them and I can read them off on the camera, and I have done that in the past, but I don't see any like that today. This one's all kind of okay, these are all those kind of Vegas-y kind of jackets. Oh, dang. I don't know if you can see straight ahead, but air conditioners are dripping, so it's kind of crazy. So, okay. This has all the kind of crazy colorful shirts, eyeglasses. Okay. Oh, this is kind of funny. This is all, okay. It's all like health food stuff. So, okay. There's like kind of a big scandal. The reason I was kind of hesitating, there's a bunch of jade right there. Oh, they have the prices too. Wow. Wow. That's a lot of money. I don't know if you can see those prices, but it's like, that's a lot of money. 500,000, $500,000, which would be like divided by 8, $500,000 divided by 8. So if you can do the math on that, you can see how much that is. $500,000 Hong Kong dollars divided by 8, and you can get American dollars. So, okay. It's part of the Portuguese community, and they're pretty cool. All the Portuguese people in Macau. Amazing people. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful jade. Used iPhones, try not to buy that stuff. A lot of times they'll take out something in it. They'll take out and change the chips a little bit. That's pretty cool vehicle. But sometimes they'll change a chip and then it's like you'll get some kind of knockoff phone basically. So yeah, don't get phones. Don't get phones from those places. I used to get phones from those places and I always had issues, like maybe the battery wouldn't last very well. It's always something. Okay, let's see what else is up here. Alright. So I'm trying to keep my, I just want to show this real quick. These things, almost all the buildings have these in front of them, so this has two. So it's okay. I'm trying to keep my videos under 10 minutes, so this one's about 10 minutes right now, so I'm gonna include this and give you something to watch.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.